Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Logitech A50 X Astro headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Android phone. At first we have to go to the settings, then we have to go straight into connected devices, and now we have to click pair new device. Now we have to turn on our headphones with this power switch over here. And after that we have to bring our dock, which is over here, and we have to plug this into our power adapter. And after that, as you can see, we have PC and these three dots. So this is turned on. Now we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth, click on it, and for some time you will see that we have our Bluetooth over here. Now, as you can see, our headphones are over here in available devices. We have to tap on it. And now pair. Now we are connected to our headphones. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.